Okay, slowly.
Got a bird eating him.
A snake eating a bird. Well, he's backing up quick. Oh, check him out.
Oh, he's standing up straight.
Yeah, he's going up in the tree again.
Is it eating the bird?
Yeah, he's got the bird in its mouth.
Swallow it whole. Oh, he's jumping.
Check him out.
What snake do you think it is? It's going for the better shot. I don't know what snake it is. It's too big for gardener snake. If he's on camera, then he's gotta have a good angle. Where is he now?
Hold on.
He's definitely in a gold strip. They would have screamed at me. I don't know. Maybe this is your dad's. I bet he's trying to like elevate it to get it in.
No. That's too much for him to... I think he's going to have to eventually let go of it and get it from the head and take it from the head.
Dang, that must be so painful for that bird.
It's laying there like it's dead now. It's not even fighting or anything.
I don't think that snake can swallow it. It's a huge bird.
It will, but it'll have to start from the head probably and go down. Oh, it just dropped it.
Dropped it.
Let's back off then.
It's coming for us.
He wants his bird. He'll come back for it. He's